What's up guys, so welcome to another video. So in this video I'll just quickly show you the results of my campaign promoting this product from Clickbank. It's called BioFit, so it's a weight loss product. So I'll just quickly show you how I promoted this, how much I spent, and what's the result of the campaign promotion I earned, if I profit from based on the ad spent I had, or did I just lose everything on the campaign. So let's go ahead now quickly. So in this product, as you can see, it has got 162.84 per conversion. By the way guys, just noticed that Clickbank updated their front end, so they've got a brand new layout. As you can see, it looks pretty decent from the previous marketplace that we always see, the classic one. Now they've upgraded. I think they match it with their login page. Okay, looks good. All right, okay, let's continue. So I'll just quickly show you my ad group. I promoted this using Google Ads. As you can see, I promoted this for I think 7 days in May 2021. So just to give you quick uh, details, I'm filming this video 2022. I promoted this product back in 2021. I just had not got any time on creating a video to show you guys if I got any profit or not. So in this video I'll just quickly show you how it went. As you can see, I've got 95 clicks and over 5,000 impressions, and from those 5,000 impressions we got 1.85 CTR rate, which is okay. 2.62 at that time. BioFit is getting like around in the first page. I'm not sure if it's on the top of the page or at the bottom, but as long as it's in the first page, that's fine. And total spent was 249.21 Singapore dollars. So let me do the conversion for you. So the total spent was, let me check again, it's 249.21, so around 250 Singapore dollars. So the total spent was 184.28. Now let's go to the Clickbank transaction to see if I get any sales based from that campaign. So as you can see here, we have filtered from 2021 May 1 until August 29, 2021. So you can see all if I had any chargeback or refund. The good thing about this, the one customer that purchased the BioFit didn't refund, so we got all the sales. So the refund expires, so it means I think it's a good product. And look at this, initially he purchased the original maybe one bottle and maybe ordered another one, 98.58. So I think he ordered like 3 bottles and then upgraded to another set of bottles, which brings us total of $300 in sales. So that's a profit. And as you can see, I checked the refund and chargeback, so we didn't have any refund, which is good. We got all the profit, and the refund expires, so we will get all this. I actually got it, it's in my bank account. So, and let's have a quick calculation. So as you can see, the spent amount was 185.28. 185.28. Okay, and then we earned $300. 114. The only bad thing about this is I promoted this for 7 days, but on those 7 days I only got one customer purchase the product, but it's okay. It's still, we got profit. It's just that we are lucky to get that one customer. And how I promoted that is I've got this beautiful landing page. So as I always saying in my video, I create a simple landing page using the pagepro.com. So the link is in the description below. So it's the easiest way for me to create a landing page. No other dramas, drag and drop any complex thing, configuration and all, nothing. So it's just that so here, as you can see here, are all the landing pages I'm creating. And as you can see, this biofit, so you just need to fill up the details in this form, so it's not that complex. And once you hit save, it will generate this landing page for you. So if you want to try the pagepro.com, it's free. You can create unlimited landing pages using this in less than 5 minutes. The full tutorial, I will also put a link in the description below. It's very easy to follow. And of course, and when you sign up for the pagepro.com, you will get, as you can see here, because I connected this in a custom domain, so that all my link will be like this: graboffernow.com carbofix, graboffernow.com biofit. So it looks pretty good, but in this way, you can have more decent links if you want to promote this landing pages. But the pagepro.com is still fine. So I have an account there as well, the free account. Let me Okay, so this one I'm also promoting products in the pagepro.com free account. So what you can see is here, the pagepro.com, your username, and then the product you're promoting is still okay. The URL is still fine. But if you really want to have a custom domain, so you can follow the instruction here. Okay, but if you don't want it, just use this completely, the pagepro.com. It's very similar to what you get with the custom domain. It's just that the only difference is the custom domain. But if you have wanted everything free, just use the pagepro.com URL. So it's still okay. So as you can see here, if you go to view, so you will still get beautiful landing pages, no changes, so we can do that. But for me, I just wanted it to be custom, my own URL, my own domain, because I am serious about building landing pages, because it makes us money. So we have to build really nice looking landing page, and of course the URL also adds on that one. But it doesn't matter, you can always use the free one. It's just that I always wanted to have a custom one, but still look the same. So as you can see here, this is the exact landing page I use to promote BioFit in Google Ads. So I think that's about it, guys. So before that, I wanted to quickly show you the keyword. So I use exact match. So this one, BioFit. As you can see, I've set the cost per click $2, and I also have broad match $2. But I think I got all the clicks from this one, the exact match. As you can see, 37.21 out of the 98 clicks. I removed some of the keywords because they didn't make sales. I think they're just exhausting my budget, so I just kept these two. As you can see here, we've got the 2 sales. Yep, only from one customer. It's just that upselling the product. So we've got total of $300 in sales, and good thing is didn't refund the product. Okay, so we got all the profit. So maybe can do better. I will promote this because I was just promoting a different product that time, so I stopped BioFit since I already got sale. But if we continue the campaign, I'm pretty sure that we will get more sales. It's just that I stopped the campaign after 7 days, and we got 1 sale. Actually 2 sales from one customer. So that's about it, guys. So if you haven't subscribed yet, so just subscribe to my channel so you can see all the case studies I publish here in the channel. So I think that's it. See you on the next video. Thank you, guys.